So if you're planning to do the hike from Chesler Park to Druid Arch, then this video is made just for you. Make sure you check out my Chesler Park Loop hike video before viewing this. I'll include the link in the top right corner. This is Druid Arch, a little bit longer than normal, so you can get a good idea of the trail conditions. Here it is. I'm about to go check out Druid Arch now. It's almost 4 o'clock. I'm hoping to catch some of the sunset colors up on the Druid Arch. So let's go check it out. I just left the campsites at Chesler Park, right over that way. And this trail will take you to Druid Arch, which is 3 miles one way, 6 miles round trip. So what I've seen, this trail's gonna go up over that saddle and drop down into the canyon. It's gonna take me all the way to Druid Arch. Alright, I can start to see into the canyon I'm headed to for Druid Arch. And the trail's not too defined, but there are rock cairns everywhere leading the way. It's not too bad. Alright, looks like I'm dropping down into the canyon from here. Dropping down. Trail goes straight that way. You can see down into the next canyon. I believe I'm heading that way, but to get down I gotta take these rock cairns. This is a cool looking canyon. That's what I just came down. Making our way kind of towards the left whenever you come into this canyon. Real flat section. Continue to follow all the cairns. That way. So this is looking back. That's the saddle I came through. And I've been going along this flat section, crossing over, and continuing into this drainage here down to the lower canyon. Just following cairns. Going deeper. Alright, going from white rock to red rock. Okay, so this is a section that I got mixed up on. When you're going over this shelf and dropping down, make sure you stay to the right. Do not go left. That's pretty crazy. So, first view of the open canyon. I came in from my left and we're continuing downhill to the bottom of the canyon. Okay, this next part is tricky. You're gonna have about a 50-foot rock scramble down to the canyon floor. Alright, I didn't film any of that, but that's probably the trickiest trail I've been on this whole trip. There's some definite rock scrambling to get down. And I'm not looking forward to going up all that mess. But look at this beautiful canyon. Holy smokes. Made it to another dry wash. The trail goes that way. Okay, so now I'm at the intersection of the Elephant Canyon. Druid Arch is 2 miles that way. Trail goes that way. All right, so there's a split right here. There's a canyon that goes in that way,
and a canyon that goes that way. It appears that I'm going to the left because of that rock cairn. And then I saw another one over here as well. So the canyon has taken a right-hand turn. Still going in the dry wash. Yeah, this part's easy compared to everything else, especially coming down out of the canyon. I've been on dry wash for 3/4 of a mile now. It's easy going. I've ran to a couple of people, so 3/4, maybe 1 mile away. So the Druid Arch hike, it's pretty awesome because it's so different from the rest of the area. I mean, the whole place is beautiful. But you get down here in this dry wash, you get all these cool rock features. And then like now where I'm at, it's like a true big wall canyon. Kind of unexpected. You can see moisture in the ground. There's a spring up here. It's the first water I've seen in a long time. I don't see anything flowing, but the ground is wet. That's where everything's green down here. Here's an immediate left. You got it marked by a bunch of rock cairns, so you shouldn't be able to miss it. All right, I was warned to get ready to climb. Going up and over right through there. All right, just came up all that. And heading that way. So it looks like we're coming up out of the canyon for this part. Actual water. Look at that. Alright, you can see the trail can continue this way. That's where we're going. Spring down here. Big pool of water down there. Right. Can't really see it very well because we're standing to the side of it, but that's Druid Arch right there. So I should be going up the trail, and then somewhere to the left, we're gonna be making a heck of a climb to get up there to the viewpoint. I hear this part's pretty tricky, but I bet it's gonna be a lot of fun. To the top. This is what I'm coming up right now. And I've got a lot more to go. Holy smokes, that thing is huge. I'm not even up there yet. That thing is impressive. And by the way, this 3-mile hike is no joke. It's whooping. Alright, starting to make the climb. Should be somewhere up in there. Alright. now. Here's the part out here is pretty tricky. See how bad it is. Looks like it's gonna be a pretty good scramble. All right, I'm about 3/4 of the way up. It's not that bad. Just a lot of zigzags, a lot of big steps, nothing too tricky. Honestly, some of the stuff I went through coming down into this canyon is worse than this. It just goes on for a little bit. But here's a view of what I just climbed. Started down there at the very bottom where the stairs, I'm sorry, the ladder is at, way down there. But check this out. That's amazing. So, that's awesome. Totally worth the hike. The hike is not easy. It's tough to get up here. That being said, the sun is going down. I gotta get back to camp and I don't want to go through that mess in the dark. I have a headlamp just in case, but I was wanting to hang around for that sun to get down a little bit lower, but it is not going to be fun going out in the dark, especially by myself. So I'm gonna go and hit the trail, try to make it back. Yeah, a couple 100 feet of that. Don't let it scare you, it's not that bad. Just take it slow, but it is hot this time of day. Let's get it over with. So as you're coming down all this mess, remember to hug left, because you gotta get back to that ladder to get back down. Almost down to the bottom of the climb. Not bad. Right, back to the ladder. Getting out of here. All right, made it to my split. Now I gotta go through all that mess again. Got a mile to go. Got 2 knocked out, 1 more to go to get back to my camp. Let's do it. See the cairns right there? When you come down this red wash, you go to the right, and then you'll see that cave that I just showed you. It's much easier. Don't go down the wash. Bad idea. Have to wrap up a 14-mile day. It was awesome.
Okay, so that wraps it up for Druid Arch. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you click that like and subscribe button, all those things, and make sure you check out my full Chesler Park Loop video right here. Take care.